Uh, well, very excited game to the fans that came and support us that much, because we felt the energy from the fans, and I will contribute our success during the night as well to that energy that they provide from the stands. That was awesome. That was great. The other thing is that the character and the effort from our players today was outstanding. It was a game that played by 10 men there, both teams. It was more space than normal, and that required a lot of energy, and the boys put what it was needed. Beautiful goals also, people enjoy against a very good rival and a coach that we respect, and a group of players like Portland that did a good job on last year, and they measuring right now us to see where we are. So we're very happy.
What sort of explanation were you given on the Watson red, and what did you see? I know it happened, supposedly happened on the other side of the field.
Yeah, it happened too far from where we were. The explanation from the referees were playing and say that it was a retaliation there and something, but I did not see anything, and I have to see the video. I spoke with the player, and the player said he didn't do anything. But that's it. We have to respect the law, and sometimes we may disagree, and that's the way it is. It was a bit frustrating, but I have to say I was far from it.
So you guys are going to appeal it, though, more than likely.
Yeah, we'll discuss that, obviously. The best part is that many other things happened during the game that were more entertainment than that one.
Mm-hmm.
So we'd like to stick into all the good things that the players from FC Alex and also Portland put in the field. That was a great game to attend.
¿Sigues invicto, pareja? Número 1 en la tabla general. ¿Empiezas bien el torneo?
Sí, empezamos bien, estamos contentos. Pero este grupo está desarrollando una cultura de ir un juego a la vez. No importa lo que haya pasado el año pasado, no importa lo que haya o lo que vaya a pasar, estamos construyendo espacio y el grupo sabe lo que tiene y hacia dónde va. I'm comment on the fact that we are unbeaten and the good start that we have. My answer is that we know where we are, and we don't want to think too much about what we have not done before or what had happened in the last year. The league is intense, it's long, and we have our feet on the ground, and I know the boys know where they are. So one game at a time will be.
Oscar, you were really integral in the growth of Uala and Acosta both. What does it mean to you to see them both start in a senior game like this?
Yeah, it's great to see our academy product in the field. I think the whole academy program, the staff, the coaches who work day in and day out there in the fields at 7 in the morning, the people who has been part of this program for many years, now they see the product used to be in the field. It's fantastic. I know that people, especially our ownership, that believe and vision that way to build. I know this is a night that we won't forget because we saw that product in the field.